In our new task now, you work for Tawara High School. You will edit some data about mathematics faculty using a suitable database package. Import the file teachers.csv. So we will repeat the steps of importing file here, which is in task 18a. Then use these fields name as data type, and also everything until now is repeated. But here set the S code field. We have, this is the first field in the teachers database file, and we need to set this field as a field key or a key field or a primary key. Then we have to import another file which name is students, and we have to put the student's ID as a key field. Then we will create a relationship between these two tables. So this relationship is type is one-to-many relationship as a link between the S code, which is the primary key in teachers table, with the math field in students table. Let's go and follow our work. Okay, now I will just go to the external data, import a new data source. We will import text file. What is our text file? It is teachers.csv file. Then we'll click open. We'll be sure from clicking this option. Then OK. They are delimited by commas, so we will click next. Here we have to click this option, first row contain field names. Here, what is the field name? Teacher ID. You can next change it as S code, because in the file it is named in the first field name S code, then F name, S name, subject, room. Let's see here. We have S code, so you have to change all of the data, the field names as it is written in the task. Okay, the first one is S code, the second F name, then S name. I will put the N capital as it is as mentioned in the task. Then we have subject, then we have room. Then we will click next, and we have to choose the S code is our primary key here. Then we will click next, and we need to name it like TBL teacher. Finish, close. If you see here, I have a new table named TBL teacher, table teachers. Let's check the data types. You will double click on this table and go to the home view, design view. The S code is text, F name text, S name text, subject text, and room is a number or integer. It's a number only, we don't have integer, so choosing number is enough. Okay, there is nothing to do here now for this table. We will just save. Okay, now let's go and import the students table. We will go to external data, a new data source, then text file. We will browse students, open. Okay, next, choose this field. If you miss it, you will have a problem. We will not do any change to the field names here because it's not mentioned in the task. They will ask us just to import it as it is. Then we have to put the student name student ID as a primary key. So you will come here and choose the student ID as a primary key, then click next, and we will name it table students, finish, close. Let's check the data types, if it's logical or not. Students ID, it's short text. I think it should be numeric, but we will not do any change because it's not mentioned here in the task. All of them are text, so I will leave everything as it is because it doesn't the task there's no request from the task for us. Okay, so now what we will do, we want to create a relationship between these two files, two tables, and then the type of the relationship is 1 to many. Okay, to create the relationship, click external database tool, then click on from relationship group, click relationships. Now we will choose the tables that we want to do relationship between them. We need to do it between students and teacher. Click on students, click on control, then and teachers, then add, close. We have these two tables. The relationship should be between the S code in teachers table with math in math field in students table. So you will just left click on S code, move until you reach math. Okay, so I will give you a space to see the difference. Click, you will see this sign, then move. When you have the math place, raise your finger, you will find this window. In this window, the relationship type is 1 to many as mentioned in the task, and we have already linked between the S code field from teachers table with math field in students table. Then you will just simply create. Then you are done with this, you have done with this task. Thank you.